Hello family, welcome again to our kitchen. Today we are gonna be making vegetable soup, and here are the amazing ingredients. I do have frozen veggies, and that is a combination of corn, green beans, carrots. I do have 1 cup of black beans. I have more carrots over there, and I have the green cilantro. I don't have the fresh onions today, but I'm gonna be using the dry onions over here, and I have a spice blend over here. Without further ado, welcome here.
And cut. Okay, so Mom.
Okay, for the rice, I do have about 4 cups of water here, and I have 2 cups of rice here. So two parts to 1 part. If you have 1 cup of rice, you use 2 cups of water. So 4 cups of water. I already put olive oil, and I'm gonna add a little bit of salt here. And the water is already hot and boiling. My rice has been washed and rinsed, and I will add like that. And then I just wanna mix it up, add it up, mix it up like that. And then I will cover and let the rice cooker do its magic. I made some frozen corn here, and this is my olive oil for making the vegetable stew.
Before we get to the next part of the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.
So our olive oil is ready now. It's hot. I'm gonna put all the ingredients in here, and then we're gonna make the soup straight up. Usually I like to start with carrots, onion. So I don't have onions, but I do have carrots now. It's gonna season because everything is fresh. And then this will go last because it's the cilantro, the fresh cilantro. Dry onion and the house blend here, it's all gonna go in like that. Salt, followed by my frozen vegetables.
Nine years later.
The last, we're gonna add fresh cilantro. So we now have the fresh cilantro in there. Mix everything in. And then this is 1 cup of black beans. And this is 2 cups of water here. And the water is already hot. And that's for our vegetable soup. Now we're gonna just cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes, or whenever it gets tender.
Before we get to the next part of the video, I would like to thank you all for almost hitting 500 subscribers. So I've hit 496 in the editing, and I really just want that 500 already because I've not gotten it, and that's like half, that's half 1,000, and plus only 0.1% of the people that watch even my videos, that 41,000 people, 0.1 of those are subscribed. So please consider subscribing, and And if you want to get notified for more videos, hit the notification bell so you can see some more videos like these.
Okay, so I just made my soup and I'm gonna clean the mess. It's messy everywhere, it's steamy. Thank you so much for joining us. The soup is gonna be ready in no time. Look at all these things, man. It's not a joke. We're not even joking. We're cooking with steam here. My rice is coming up, and my corn is ready. Soup is almost ready. Rice is almost ready. And then I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea. Here's my electric kettle. Before I do all of that, I will do some quick cleaning here, so I can clean up my mess after all the work. If you haven't subscribed again, please subscribe. Turn on your notification button so you don't miss good videos like this.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. So thank you so much for this far you have held on. Unfortunately, I will not be eating with my family today. I gotta go to work. My food is ready. I'm gonna turn off the stove. My soup is ready, and I'm just gonna serve myself here. Look at all of that yum soup. It's all 100% vegetable soup, vegan soup. So I'm just gonna give myself a little serving here. And here's my corn. I'm gonna just serve that separately. Here is my rice. It's all ready. Can you smell that aroma? I can smell it. So I'm just gonna give myself a little serving there, and off I go. I'm gonna eat this later. Fortunately, I don't have time to eat with my family. That's my food here. Come, I'll show you how I pack for lunch. Here's my insulated lunch box, and then I just put my hot food in there, my fruits, my apple and orange, my soda, and yeah, that's it for now. I have other snackies, whatever I need. Here is I don't actually need these because I just like to carry it that way, so I detach this. Tell me what you think so far, and if you don't mind, subscribe, turn on your notification button, and keep supporting us so we can come up with more amazing videos. Thank you so much. Bye.